Welcome to the RETAIN.ME content portal, your one-stop shop for uploading content and hyper-personalising your SMARTSlip to provide an excellent consumer experience. We designed the content portal to be straightforward and user-friendly, meaning you are only a few clicks away from uploading your first piece of content. At RETAIN.ME, we understand that personalisation is the key to re-engaging your customers. The content portal makes this easier than ever. By simply clicking Add Text, you can choose from a whole host of variables to individually target your customers. But the personalisation doesn't stop there. Using the content portal's segment system, we can target specific cohorts of customers. For example, if we set the country code in the shipment info to France, we can change the content so that the language is in French. Viewing a proof set of the content you have uploaded is just as easy. Simply head over to the proof set heading and click Generate, where you will see the hyper-personalised, dynamic content that you've just created come to life in the form of your SMARTSlip. Customer retention delivered.